Namaskar Mitro, today we are going to build an RC car using PVC pipes featuring a custom gearbox inspired by a V4 internal combustion engine. For this project, I choose these 130 DC motors. They are incredibly cheap and available at many electronics stores. But unlike regular 130 DC motors that draw only a few milliamps, these have a no-load current of around 1.5 amps and can spin at nearly 13,000 RPM. So yes, we are going to use 4 of them and I think they are the perfect choice for this project. This is the design I created for the car. So let's start crafting all the PVC parts according to this drawing and bring this project to life. Alright guys, all the PVC parts are ready. Now let's begin assembling the steering mechanism using these components. The steering mechanism is complete. Now before we start building the real drivetrain, we need to prepare a few parts. From these old geared motors that we commonly use in robotics projects, I extracted 2 crown gears and 5 pinion gears. From this gear kit, I also took a larger crown gear, a metal pinion gear and a 2mm steel shaft. We also need a good set of wheels for this project. Unfortunately, the wheels I plan to use wobble quite a bit because their plastic rims are slightly deformed. To fix this problem, I designed a completely new rim for these tires in Fusion 360. Now to bring these parts to life, we could use a 3D printer, but if you don't have one, you can use JLC 3DP. JLC 3DP is one-stop solution for high-quality 3D printing and manufacturing services, offering a wide range of materials including resin, nylon, metal and more, with prices starting from just $0.3. Whether you are building robotics, RC vehicles, prototypes, custom enclosures or any other maker project, JLC 3DP can manufacture your parts with excellent accuracy and surface finish. Ordering is very simple, just upload your 3D model, choose the material and finish you want and place your order in minutes. A few days later, my parts arrived and the quality was excellent. The dimensions were accurate, the finish looked great and the parts were ready to use right out of the box. So if you are working on your hardware, robotics or DIY project, be sure to check out JLC 3DP using the link in the description. Including these tires, these are all the parts required for the rear drivetrain. So let's start assembling it. Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you: LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now let's get back to the build. Alright, the real mechanism is complete. Now let's install the remaining electronics. For this project, I am using a CL9030 brushed ESC. Although this is quite overpowered for this RC car, I am using it because it is the only one I have available right now, but you can use any brushed ESC rated for 30 amps or higher. As you can see, the car performs exactly as expected, and this V4 engine inspired gearbox gives it a really unique and eye-catching appearance. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY projects like this. That's it for today guys, I'll see you in the next one.